Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to review a Korean manga that goes by the name Lookism. Lookism is a term that describes the discriminatory treatment of people who are considered physically unattractive. And thus, the story of the manga is more or less based on this very concept. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんてむずく甘いバカなんてダメトイレやんでちゃ口でんでみんなで忘れて歩いて
Lookism is a South Korean webtoon written and illustrated by Park Tae-joon. Daniel Park or Park Hyun-suk is an unpopular, fat, ugly and bullied high school student who is looked down upon by the entire student body. Being constantly bullied and harassed every day by Logan Lee, he often takes out anger verbally on his mother and soon asks for a school transfer. Resolving to run away from his current problems and to start fresh, he moves to Seoul alone and plans to attend a new high school. However, a few nights before he goes to high school, he obtains a new body which is tall, muscular and extremely handsome. When one body is in use, the other body falls asleep, and he is able to switch between the bodies by waking and sleeping body. His days are always split between the two bodies, his handsome form for the daytime and the original for the night. As Daniel lives his life with two bodies, he begins to see just how much the world discriminates against people for being simply unattractive or different. Though through his original body, he experienced the world's discrimination and hate while also seeing the kindness and special treatment through the others. His new body takes him through numerous life experiences from becoming a miniature celebrity, a trainee for an entertainment company, and a model for clothes. Once the day turns to night, however, this rosy dreams turn back into a harsh reality of what the world really is after. Daniel switches back to original body. Not only does the manga reveals about how lookism affects one's life, but it also features the bully system in schools and colleges, giving Korea the highest suicide rate per year. The manga not only features the discrimination but also the other major issues such as dark online streamings, drugs, stalking, crime, gang wars, and many other critical issues. While all the above topics covered as a side story, the main story follows of how Daniel Park tries to figure out this mysterious phenomenon, and while doing this, he has to face Charles Choi and his men Gun and Gu, who not only stands in his way but are the reason for gang wars all over the country. Daniel tries to move forward with the help of his college friends and try to stop all of these and unravel the secrets of his body. Lookism is more of an action drama series with a better written plot than most of the action webtoons out there. Amidst all the fighting and bloodshed, the mangaka Park Tae-joon always makes sure to add that pinch of comedy every now and then, lightening up the mood and making it an awesome series. The manga is still on its run and is updated on every Sunday. Till now, it has around 330 plus chapters and is far from its end. The storytelling of the manga is quite straightforward, but its plot is a unique one. Lookism is a must-read series, and I hope that it can get the popularity that it deserves. To avoid any major spoilers, we would be stopping our review here, but be sure to comment down your thoughts on our review. Thank you for staying till the end.